And the finished product, not completely finished, but at least the flat part is finished. So you see you have a lot of extra out of a 4x8 sheet. So if you want to get more fancy, before I used to have like side panels on here, and you can actually do it to the point where you could silicone it, make it so it's even liquid tight if you want. If you want to get fancy and fussy about the corners, you can do that. Or what you can do is to fill in the gap, you go down to Home Depot or Lowe's or any of the big hardware stores, and you get that pipe insulation that's about a 1/2 inch thick, 3/4 inch thick, whatever you want, and you put a slice in it, and you get it so it goes around about a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch pipe, whatever you want, from keeping pipes from freezing. You slit it and you slip it over here, and you pull your board up and you slip it inside there, and you'll have a foam rubber piece that sticks all the way around here to fill up the gaps. And that's an easy, cheap, do-it-yourself method to do that. That's it for now. Oh, one other thing. Let's see if I have my keys here. Excellent headlight upgrade. I guess I'll do a thing on this later, but look what I found. Let's see. Let's go on. These massively brighten. It's daylight right now. Well, it doesn't do it justice, but these dull headlights that you see off to the side right here, these are the brightest Sylvania Platinum with the gold tips. These are the brightest driving lights they have. After I put in these GHR, I'll do a web link or something like that, but after I put in these high beams, which used to be the Sylvanias that were the ultra bright ones that you paid like 70 bucks for, these LEDs made those look like they're old, dark, yellow, brown, incandescent lights from headlamps from like a 66 Mustang or something like that. In comparison, these used to look white, but after putting these on, it's just a no-brainer. So I ordered these headlamps that'll be coming from this same company to replace the low beams, and then later on I'm going to get their fog lights and put their fog lights inside there. One other Prius C upgrade, if you like to see at nighttime, it reminds me of our Tesla. The Tesla sees really good at night. In comparison, when you get back into this car, you feel like you're blind and there's no headlights on your car. But now that I have these lights in, I feel like I have the same brightness of a Tesla. That's it, guys. See ya.